bad is it good? Hey guys, Kid Keeper over here, also known as your boy KK, back in my own house, except I'm in my sister's room. Anyway, today we're gonna be looking at these cubes, and they are just any cubes, and by that I mean I got them from some random mall while shopping. Let's just get straight to the unboxing. But one problem. I'm a kid and I can't use scissors. And how in the world are you supposed to open this package without scissors? Wait, I have an idea. Let Professor Kid Cuber take over. Hello there, class. Today we will be learning how to unbox this package. So firstly, we are going to try the easiest method. We are going to fold the top part and then push it from the inside, like so. So, when the package is usually too tight, you have to try another technique. Like see, I can't push this off. So, instead, let's grab the top part with this hole and let's go crazy on it. Okay, I still can't open this. Maybe let's try folding it. Yeah, this is a tough package. You know what? Let's use another technique of mine. Okay, now that looks good. So now that we've got the cubes out of the way, let's look at the packaging. It says, spin it. Whee! Wow, I'm having so much fun, guys. No, I don't think they mean the spin the packaging. Let's instead look at the cubes. The first one we're gonna grab is the pyraminx. Now this is when you realize, why are the cubes so tiny? Compared to a normal pyraminx, it's like the size of one of the corners, except just a little bigger. Like, see, it's that small. But we're not looking at the size. We're here for the turning. So let's start. In 3, 2, 1. I don't know if you could see this, but this turns really rough. Oh, that's a real workout. Oh no, it's locked up. Okay, this is a real workout. You know what? For you guys, I will do a solve on this. Got the pyraminx all scrambled. We've got the stack my timer set to 0 seconds. And I'm gonna start solving. Wow, it actually fell from my hand. So, pretty good. Let's see how fast I can do this. Hopefully under 20 seconds. And we're off. Okay. That is good. Hopefully I put it back together in the right spot. Okay. This is bad, guys. Okay, I've got it. Oh, and that actually worked. Ooh, 1 minute 15 seconds just for solving this guy. And he even popped in the middle. This thing. Anyway, let's try one last thing. Corner cutting. So, if you don't know what corner cutting means, let me show you the demonstration. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Nah, just kidding. That's not what corner cutting is. Now, this is what corner cutting actually is. So what you do is that you misalign the cube a little, like this, And then from the other side, you try to turn and see what happens. Okay guys, not working. Maybe let's do a little less. Nope, still not working. Let's like do minimum. Like, let's show you guys like that. You can barely tell it's just lined and it's stuck. That's so weird. Next puzzle is the unreasonably small 2x2. Let's try some first turns. I hope this is better than the pyramids. Oh no. No, it's not. Ooh. Wow, this is not gonna be good. But let's try scrambling this. If you work out with this every day, then you'd probably get like really buff hands. Yeah, we're done scrambling. Now, got the stack mat timer set to 0 again, and we've got the 2x2 all scrambled. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! We are done. Ooh, that was tough. You need to see this time. I got the pop with that pyramids, and this is still worse than the other solve. Anyway, just to show you what I do with a regular 2x2 solve, I'm just gonna scramble this up and show you an actual average solve. This cube actually feels big in my hands now because of holding that one. And again, we've got the stack mat timer set to 0, and let's get solving. 3, 2, 1, go!
For me, work for me, work the body for me, what?
Yes, this is an average solve, not 1 minute 30 seconds. This cube is just so bad. Anyway, let's get to the actually unique puzzle. But before we get to this, let's try one thing. How far can this corner cut? Now this is gonna be really dangerous because it might pop. So like this much, you think it'll work? Let's try it. What? It's not going. Okay, wrong cell. And it's done it. Only if you do it up. If you try to do it down, I think the cube will just stop. And now finally, it's time for a decently turning puzzle. So this actually, I've never seen before, but it looks pretty cool. So you can basically turn it into any shape you like. Anyway, that's gonna be all for today's video. If you like this video, then smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Wait a second. This is Magic Cube? That used to be the old name for a Rubik's Cube. None of these are magical, or maybe this one is, but who cares about it now? I was not expecting that. Oh well.